So this video is for the Parolin Eurostar Brake Master Cylinder. And this is brought to you by NoricalCarters.com. If you find this video helpful, please give us a small donation. I'll put a link below. But again, I hope you find it helpful. And this is the exploded view of the Parolin Master Cylinder for the brake system. And I've already pulled everything apart. I've quickly cleaned it. This is not a thorough cleaning, it's a quick clean. But this video is also very last second because I thought the information would be helpful to you. So this is the master cylinder body. Again, this is the Parolin Eurostar Master Cylinder. So this is the body right here. This is the spring that goes inside the body that pushes the master cylinder piston. This is the piston. And you'll notice on the piston, there's a boss. The boss engages with the spring, and there's a nice little fit there. So it fits nicely. So the spring is directional. So you got the piston, the actual brake fluid seal, not an oil seal, but it's a brake fluid seal, is the innermost seal. Then you have what they call the dust seal. This keeps out any contamination that may enter into the brake system. So that's a rubber seal there. You have the piston push pin. So again, everything here is not thoroughly cleaned. It's just I pulled everything apart and wanted to do a quick video for you. So this is the piston push pin. Pivot pin that goes between the push pin and the lever. Circlips that go on each side. You have the lever. You have the piston pin here, or pivot pin. This actually goes through the body, through that hole right there. Lightly pushes in, so you want to use a little bit of lubrication when you put that together. And then this is the, oh, apparently I have a magnetic tip. That is a set screw that goes behind the pin into the master cylinder body. And then the dust seal slides over the whole assembly to keep out the rubber and the dust and sand out of a master cylinder. So I hope you find this video helpful. When you put everything together, what I am going to do is I'm going to use this body, I'm going to use a little bit of brake fluid, and I'm going to lube the inside of the body. I'm also going to lube the inner seal, which is the seal that comes in contact with brake fluid. I'm going to lube that with a little bit of brake fluid. The outer seal, this dust seal, I am going to lubricate with a lubricant that is, I lost my word, compatible, that is the word, compatible with the brake system. So I'm going to use a little bit of lube there so it doesn't go together dry. I will put some assembly lube here and inside the piston. So those two areas, not metal on metal. Just imagine if you were metal on metal, where would you want some lube? So you're going to put some lube in those areas. So you're going to put lube here and inside the piston. Little bit of lube on this pivot pin. Little bit of lube inside the lever in these two areas here. And then when I assemble everything, I'll also do some lubrication here, but that's a different video. So again, this is the exploded diagram of the Parolin Eurostar Master Cylinder. If you found this video helpful, please donate to the NoricalCarters project. A link is below. Thank you.